Hello everyone, hi, welcome back, and we are back with another exciting video. So, if you guys know, My Muse is a big supporter of this channel and they help me to grow. Video is another partnership with My Muse, and because they have very exciting sale going on, so let's talk about this. Is starting with their tote bag, bro. This is for everyone. You can gift your boyfriend, you can gift your girlfriend, and look at that. Look at the quality. Like it is good quality, organic cotton kind of a cotton kind fabric of a tote bag, and it fits you so well. And the sense that they send me, I already wore it for like 3 to 4 times, and I seriously loved it. And I get it. I and literally people complimenting this bag because yes, this is very simple, nothing going on, but love to love. And this heart, oh my god, it is so pretty, and it fits you so well. It's not that big, it's not that small. You can fit your laptop, other accessories as well. So I thought really like it. It's really like it. You can gift it to anyone. So in this sale, उनका बैग चेक करना बिल्कुल मत भूलना. So now let me give you some exclusive insights about this sale. क्या मुझे बोलना चाहिए या नहीं बोलना चाहिए? चलो कोई नहीं, तुम्हारे पैसे बचेंगे तो बोलना चाहिए. So this sale is come together sale. This is exclusive sale for Valentine. Okay, they already like उनके पास ना हमेशा तुम्हें देने के लिए बहुत अच्छे ऑफर्स होते हैं, बट they are very generous and they are hosting a Valentine sale. And I already told you it's a come together sale. So you can get 35 to 50% off on like almost every product. Okay, and जो प्रोडक्ट ऐप एक्सक्लूसिव है उन पे तुम्हें और भी ज्यादा मैसिव डिस्काउंट मिलने वाला है. एंड डोंट फॉरगेट टू यूज माय कोड SOMU10. यस, इट्स अ एफिलिएट डिस्काउंट, बट तुम्हारा क्या जाता है, तुम्हें तो 10% ऑफ एक्स्ट्रा मिलने वाला है. सो अगर कोई चीज तुम 50% ऑफ में ले रहे हो एंड यू आर ऑल्सो एडिंग अ 10%, लाइक मेरा कूपन कोड लगा के you are also getting 10% off. It's a big win-win. So yeah, don't forget to use my code in this sale and grab extra 10% off. So now let me introduce you My Muse new launch, and it is an upgrade of their existing launch. And let me tell you, it is the well-loved product. So it is a My Muse Dive Plus. So this is an internal use massager for her. It comes with like this egg taper shape, which makes the insertion very easy, and the string is easy to pull. Like the string help you to easy to pull out. You can use it for a public play or backdoor play. Like this product is very versatile. It comes with the 10 default settings and patterns, and happily this is an app controlled device. So if you don't know, My Muse have their own app. My Muse has India's first app control massagers as their app, so you can use their app to create patterns, new patterns, or the pattern you love and you can use in a future play time. So the app is very easy to use. This is the internal use only, and the products, so these products are waterproof, body safe, quite lightweight. These are very quiet, and I will recommend you please use them with a glide or something. So see, they make your intimacy very fun, spicy, and exciting. So yeah, device is fully app controlled, so distance doesn't really matter anymore. Whether it's India to US or Australia, you can use it for a solo play or with your partner to enjoy a fun, intimate, and relaxing experience. So I hope you like this video, and if you like this, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and comment down below तुम कौन सा प्रोडक्ट लेने वाले हो. And बाद में रिग्रेट मत करना। सो अभी सेल है तो जितने भी प्रोडक्ट विश लिस्ट में सब ले लो। मेरी लिस्ट तो बहुत बड़ी है बट फिर भी मैं कह देती हूँ जितने भी प्रोडक्ट तुम्हारी विश लिस्ट में है ले लो। दिस प्रोडक्ट लिटरली ऑन ह्यूज डिस्काउंट। अगर अब नहीं लोगे तो पूरा साल वेट करना पड़ेगा। डोंट मेक अ मिस्टेक, जस्ट बोट देम and don't forget to use my code SOMU10 for extra 10% off, and after using my discount you are getting crazy amount of price down, like crazy amount of price down. So yeah, don't miss the chance. And I hope you like this video. If you don't have something to say, just drop a heart in a comment, and bye, see you in another video.